Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to work on Remotasks as a beginner. First, open your browser and visit the Remotasks website. To create an account, click the Sign Up button and register using your Google or Facebook account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once your account is created, the next step is verification. Remotasks requires phone verification and two-factor authentication before you can access all platform features. Enter your phone number, your street address, receive the verification code, and confirm your account. After that, set up your payment method. Open your account settings and go to the payment section. Link a valid payment option, such as PayPal, so you can receive your weekly earnings without any issues. Double-check your payment details before saving them. Now, it's time to complete your training. Navigate to the Onboarding Center or Missions tab. Here, you will find free training courses that teach different task types, including image annotation, bounding boxes, and audio transcription. Take the courses carefully and complete the required exams. These assessments help Remotasks determine your skills and eligibility for projects. Once you pass the training and exams, your account will be reviewed. After approval, the platform will begin matching you with available projects based on your qualifications and performance. You can then start working on tasks, gaining experience, and earning money. Thanks for watching.